aside from injuries to the neck, the second most common injury is to the lower back,
Lower back,
the
okay.
lumbar spine, and the mechanisms are fairly similar. And the most common injury also are disc problems. Um, the discs are in the lumbar spine. The discs can be a little bit stronger than in the neck, but when they do herniate, they tend to tear more. So you
Okay.
see more disc tears
On the lumbar section?
in the lumbar
Okay.
section, particularly at the very lowest level, which is called L5S1. It's very typical to see a tear of the disc, which in itself causes pain. And let me explain that. When discs herniate, the disc itself usually does not hurt. What hurts is the pressure against the nerves. But when there is a tear of the material of the disc, then it is the disc itself that is painful.
Okay,
And it causes
sure.
a different type of pain, which is more in the back. It's not the typical pain going down the arms or the legs. And it is common in auto accidents
Okay.
and not as common in other types of injuries such as the typical herniations of lifting heavy objects, etc. You don't, excuse me, you don't see those tears in those cases. The injuries from the seat belt,
Okay.
big bruises and then pain in the ribs in that area.
Okay.
The patients are breaking with all the strength they have, and then you see pain in their right knee because how strong they try to break that car.
Yeah.
And then some of them are going to have traumatic brain injuries because, particularly when they're not wearing a seatbelt, they can go against the windshield or even the steering wheel.
Sure. And we see that in our practice as well.